So now we're going to let this cool out. And when it's cool out, you can enjoy it. So this is the syrup with the juice from the pineapple and the watermelon. So we use some of the juice to make a syrup, then we use the pulp from the juicer to make a jam. We use some of the juice to make a syrup. You can use this for pancakes or anything, and we use the pulp from the juicer to make a jam. So that is how I use up every part of this pineapple and watermelon today. Nothing was wasted. In this time we're living in, we can't afford to waste absolutely nothing. So I use everything. And the skin of the watermelon, I'm going to do a video and show you how I curry that skin. And the skin from the pineapple, I am going to cook and boil and make some juice with that. So you see, none of the fruits is being wasted. We make jam. This is the syrup, and this is the jam. We made them. I don't want anything to fall out. And this is so full, I don't want to overload. So you see, use every part of your fruits, waste nothing. Everything is usable. We need to stop wasting. Thanks for watching another quick demo on how to use every single nook and cranny of your fruits. Bye.